Welcome, here I've got Sony Xperia 5 III and let me show you how to turn on and off camera gridlines in basic camera mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it. As you can see in right corner, we are on basic mode. Now let's tap to menu. And we have to slide a little bit to setup category. Here at the second place we have gridlines option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera gridlines. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to camera preview we get access to these lines here. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that they are not visible at the real photo. So when I take a picture and when I move to the left side to the small button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to menu, slide down again to setup category and tap to this button with grid lines to turn them off. So for now in the preview they have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.